Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lana Decor. Do you ever look at old, weathered items and see untapped potential for your home? Today, I am showing you incredible ways to transform vintage finds into cozy farmhouse treasures perfect for the spring season. Let us dive in and start crafting some beautiful, sustainable decor together right now. Give your garden a timeless look by aging brand new terracotta pots using a simple lime wash technique. This creates a beautiful, chalky white patina that looks like years of natural weathering. They're perfect for holding vibrant spring daffodils or fresh moss, adding an instant touch of European country charm to your porch or windowsill. Transform a salvaged window frame into a stunning statement piece by replacing the old glass with mirrors. This DIY project helps bounce light around your room, making any small space feel much larger and more inviting. It is the perfect way to bring a bit of history and rustic character into your cozy farmhouse hallway this spring. Creating a unique piece of furniture is easy when you upcycle an old galvanized bucket into a functional ottoman. By adding a soft, tufted linen cushion to the top, you create a sturdy and stylish seat. It is a brilliant way to introduce industrial textures into your living room while maintaining that warm, cozy farmhouse aesthetic we love. Give old, yellowed book pages a second life by printing vintage botanical illustrations directly onto them. When framed in reclaimed wood, these prints become sophisticated wall art that tells a story. They perfectly capture the essence of spring flora and look wonderful styled in a gallery wall above a mantel or in a quiet reading corner. Salvage staircase spindles are full of architectural interest and make the most beautiful pillar candle holders. Cut them to different heights and keep that original chippy paint for maximum character. Grouped together on a dining table, they create a warm, flickering glow that makes every spring meal feel special and intimate in your cozy farmhouse age. Wooden tobacco baskets are a staple of farmhouse style, but adding a wreath makes them truly pop. Layer a fresh eucalyptus or cotton boll wreath inside the basket to add soft texture and a pop of green against the wood. It is an effortless way to decorate a large empty wall and bring natural elements indoors this essay. Asen. An old wooden shutter can easily be repurposed into a charming wall-mounted organizer for your entryway. Use the horizontal slats to hold your daily mail, vintage postcards, or even spring seed packets. It keeps your surfaces clutter-free while adding a beautiful pop of color and architectural detail to your home, making your morning routine much more organized. Turn a vintage Enamelware colander into a whimsical hanging planter for your back porch. The built-in drainage holes make it ideal for thirsty plants like trailing ivy or bright geraniums. Simply attach some sturdy jute rope and hang it up to add a splash of nostalgic color and life to your outdoor living space this beautiful spring. Authentic vintage grain sacks provide the perfect heavy-duty linen for making cozy, oversized floor pillows. Their classic stripes and stenciled markings add a sense of history and heritage to your living room. These pillows are not only durable but also incredibly soft, making them the perfect addition for lounging on a quiet, sunny spring afternoon in your farmhouse. Mount old wooden apple crates to your wall to create instant rustic shelving with plenty of depth. They are perfect for displaying rolled towels, soaps, or small plants in a bathroom or kitchen. The raw wood grain brings a wonderful warmth to your space, and you can arrange them in various patterns to fit your specific walls.
E.
Give your bedroom a sense of adventure by stacking vintage hardshell suitcases to create a unique side table. This project provides extra hidden storage while serving as a great conversation piece. Style the top with a small lamp and a vase of spring lilacs to create a cozy, nostalgic corner that feels both personal and thoughtfully curate.
Add.
Mason jars are versatile, but wrapping them in rough burlap and delicate lace takes them to a new level. These jars make wonderful vases for dried hydrangeas or fresh spring blooms. They add a soft, romantic touch to your farmhouse mantle or table setting, proving that you do not need expensive items to create a truly beautiful home environment.
Ant.
A weathered wooden stepladder is the perfect tiered stand for showing off your spring plant collection. Use the different levels to create a lush, green display of ferns and succulents in varied pots. This vertical garden saves space and brings a fresh, organic feel into your home, making your sunroom or living area feel like a peaceful GA.
Redan.
Antique skeleton keys are like tiny pieces of history that deserve to be seen. Mount a collection of them inside a reclaimed wood shadow box with a dark velvet backing. This moody and sophisticated piece of art adds a touch of mystery and heritage to your walls, making it a perfect accent for a library, office, or cozy hall.
Way.
A large, weathered milk can is a classic farmhouse icon that makes a bold statement in any entryway. Fill it with tall, airy pampas grass or budding spring branches to add height and drama to your foyer. It is a simple yet effective way to ground your decor and welcome guests with a touch of authentic rustic charm and
Style.
Do not let beautiful vintage tea or spice tins go to waste. They make the perfect small planters for succulents or kitchen herbs. The colorful graphics and aged metal look fantastic lined up on a sunny windowsill. It is an easy way to add pops of vintage character and fresh greenery to your kitchen while practicing sustainable, upcycled deck. Orating. Use heavy antique glass or brass doorknobs as unique bases for displaying your favorite family photos. By attaching a simple wire clip, you turn these architectural treasures into functional art. They look beautiful scattered across a console table or desk, allowing you to showcase your cherished memories in a way that feels timeless, personal, and full of vintage farmhouse-y. Character. From weathered shutters to antique spindles, we have explored how simple upcycling can bring so much warmth and history into your farmhouse this spring. I hope these projects inspire you to look at vintage items with new eyes and start your own DIY journey today. If you enjoyed these ideas, please hit the like button, subscribe to Lana Decor, and comment below with your favorite project.